I was just picking up the Honolulu time station lady on 15 meg on this radio. I've done some adjustments to the receive. Receive seems to be a little better now on the HF, and I'm gonna tell you what helped. On the other video, I know we had the sideband portion. So before, when we put it in the sideband mode, lower side. Hang on. Remember how it used to peg the needle out in sideband mode? There was something wrong with the sideband reception on this radio. We fixed that. See, probably ain't much going on here on 40 meters, but let's see. Anyways, the HF is actually working now. The signal meter is still weird, but the strange thing is making a meter adjustment on the signal meter somehow helped with the receive. I don't get how that's interconnected, but I think it's getting some sort of voltage feedback. I want to say it was...
Robert, Virginia District to a signal report. Any copy, Robert? Whiskey Alpha 8 Mike Delta. Did you copy the signal report?
Somebody's sending SSTV on 7200. Receive was not working right on this radio out of the box. Wish I had my digital program up. Anyways, before it was like a straight BFO carrier of some sort. When you switch it to sideband, it would go tink all the way to the end, and it would pick up like this, I don't know, strange background noise. Yeah, that's actually CW mode. still does a little bit of overloading. Not quite as bad. Oops. Trying to hold this thing and do a video at the same time sucks. I believe that's the EAM frequency. I think 11175 is as well. But either way, it's substantially better than what it was before. I had to make some adjustments to the inside of the radio. I incidentally actually ended up bypassing the SWR bridge. Originally, in my original video, I didn't have a problem with it, but I found that it was only working properly between like 27, I don't know, or 26965 to 27405. It was weird. It would transmit fine between those frequencies. You go above that or below it, when you'd key, it would throw up a high standing wave. HSWR is what it would show. And it would show the standing wave as like a 2. But I know for a fact the standing wave wasn't a 2. And it would inhibit it from transmitting. It would shut down. I don't know if that is a way of them building this radio to lock it out, to not transmit out of the 40 channel band, but I've never seen anything like that. But after I eliminated the SWR bridge and eliminated the high standing wave security feature, it started working. Plus, it made a difference with the receive. Why it made a difference with the receive, I have no clue. Should not have affected receive at all. But the receive improved after I eliminated this SWR bridge back here. I don't know. It's Chinese radio. What are you asking for? Oh, yeah, dumb round I buy because have flashy boot LED. Yes. Yeah, I don't know, man. But figured I'd do a quick video on this to show that it is working a little better. The receive is a little better. It's still not 100% where I want it. I think I'm going to have to maybe try to get into the software, but I have no clue how to get into that yet. That's going to take some time to figure out. But anyways, you guys have a great one. We're out of here.